So go ahead and grab one of these plunger from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use this picture frames 6x4, and I'm going to take the black part out and I'm going to attach it to the top, and I'm also going to attach it to the bottom like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take a spray painted in gold, and then I'm gonna take a few leaves and like little branches and put two of them together to the top, and then I'm gonna put two of them upside down like that. Then I took some tape and I'm going to attach it together. Then after that, I'm going to take some hot glue and attach it to the picture frames, but I wanted for better attachments, just go ahead and use the tape and go around it and attach it better. Then after that, I'm going to take my flowers, like small little flowers, and place it around it, one at the bottom. I'm going to put another one on the top and bottom. Then I took this garland, crystal garland, I'm going to place it on the back like that on each side of the frame. Then I'm going to place a big flower in the middle like that. Then this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is so simple and so inexpensive that you guys can make it at home, and I think it looks great on any party decorations. But if you don't want it so simple as that, I just did a little differently. I put a few flowers at the bottom, like just to make it stand out more. You can put a little bit of flowers too, and this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. You decide which one you like better, with a flower or without it. For the next DIY, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a floral foam. I'm gonna place it inside like that, just to make the hole of it. If you can't do it like that, just go ahead and grab your knife and just make a hole after you mark it down. Then put some hot glue. Make sure to put enough hot glue, and then go ahead and attach it to the plunger like that. Just make sure to do it good and stick it all the way inside like that, so it could be perfectly fine. Then after that, I'm gonna grab one of these two of these circles. They have these at Dollar Tree. They come in different size. So I'm going to go ahead and place it inside, put some hot glue, and I'm going to take the medium one and I'm going to place it inside as well. Just press it down like that. Now, if it doesn't want to press it down, you can just take a knife, cut it out, and then go ahead and press it inside, and it should be fine like that. Then I'm going to attach the bottom part of the ring like that, one by one, until I'm done with both of them. After that, I'm going to take a flower and place it inside the floral foam. Here, you can attach it with hot glue as well for better attachment. As you can see here, it's a little bit wobbly, and I was going crazy. I didn't know what to do, and I'm like, I have to come up with an idea. So I decided to put rocks inside. So you're just gonna go ahead, make sure to do this step before you do the whole thing, not so it doesn't happen like me. So then go ahead and put enough rocks. Make sure this is the key, to put enough rock inside. Then I took one of this round floral. I'm gonna attach it with hot glue all the way around it, place it in there, and attach it into place just like that. Hold it down until it's attached fine. Then after that, I'm gonna place some flower all the way around it, put different color, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It's something so cute that you guys can do at home, and I think it will look great for any party decorations or wedding or birthday party or any idea that you guys theme that you guys have. And here, as you can see, is straight, so you could always just move it around with your hand like that, and make sure to put enough rocks. That's the key, so it won't be wobbly. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. I hope you guys like this DIY, and let's not forget to follow, like, and comment down below what you guys think of this DIY. Thanks again for watching.